Welcome to OBD Sync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement suspension control module in a HSV VF. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the SCM tile. We'll then head up to the flashing tab. We'll make sure we have a battery charger fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click on the right button. This will then begin downloading the required calibration files to suit that module in that specific vehicle. It will then begin the flashing sequence. Once the actual flashing starts, it only takes a few seconds for it to complete. As we see here, that's now done. If it needs to do an operating system update, this can take a couple minutes to complete, whereas the calibration only takes a few seconds. We'll finally then get a 5-second countdown, and then after this we'll have a pop-up indicating the flash was successful. There we go. Go ahead, click OK, and then we're going to move over to the learn functions. We'll perform the first task, which is the VIN security link. Again, only takes a few seconds, and then finally we'll do the suspension position sensor trim height. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.